Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Trickz. In this video, we'll learn how to use one-hand mode in Infinix Note 12 series smartphones. Before we start the video, I recommend you to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. First of all, we need to swipe down the quick panel. Now we need to click on this edit icon. Now swipe up. Now you can see the option one hand. You need to click on the plus icon. Now come back. Now you can see the option one hand. You need to click on that. Now the one hand is opened. You can use it with the one hand. You can change the position by clicking on this. If you want to exit the one hand mode, you need to click on the X button. So after enabling, you can easily access by here. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. Like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.